A partnership is one of many forms a business with multiple owners can take. But because a partnership doesn't require a public filing with the state, it may be the only one that a business owner can join by accident, as the defendant in Vohland v. Sweet learned, to his dismay. Norman Sweet worked for a nursery owned by Charles Vohland. When Charles retired, his son Paul Vohland took over. Sweet and Vohland agreed that Sweet would receive a 20% share of net profits after expenses. Sweet received his share of the profits on an irregular basis, depending on when he and Vohland met to calculate the income the nursery had received since Sweet's last payment. Neither income tax nor Social Security was withheld from Sweet's checks. Sweet managed the physical aspects of the nursery. He supervised the care of the nursery stock and the performance of landscaping contracts. Vohland managed the nursery's finances and handled the sales. Vohland borrowed money for the business in his own name. Sweet never contributed to the nursery's capital. The nursery didn't file partnership income tax returns. Instead, Vohland and his wife filed a joint return that reported the nursery's income in Vohland's name. The nursery's payments to Sweet were listed as a business expense under commissions. Sweet's tax returns identified him as a self-employed salesperson at the nursery. Sweet sued Vohland, alleging that he and Vohland were partners in the nursery and asking to dissolve the partnership and for an accounting of his share. At trial, Sweet testified that when Vohland took over the business, Vohland told Sweet that Vohland would take care of Sweet and that Sweet wouldn't have to punch a time clock anymore. Sweet alleged that Vohland told him that Sweet would have an interest in the business and would be paid on a commission basis. Sweet testified that he intended to enter into a partnership with Vohland. Vohland denied that he intended Sweet to become a partner and claimed that Sweet was simply an employee working on commission. The trial court ruled in Sweet's favor and awarded Sweet nearly $60,000. Vohland appealed to the Indiana Court of Appeals, asserting that the evidence didn't support the trial court's conclusion that Vohland and Sweet were partners.